For people with poor or no credit, trying to get a loan or open a credit card account can seem like mission impossible. It's a classic chicken and egg problem, right? You need to make consistent on-time payments on a line of credit to build a strong credit score. But without a strong credit score, how will you ever get approved for such a credit line? Well, one solution is Credit Strong, which essentially allows you to make payments to yourself. And Credit Strong will report your loan payments to the 3 major credit bureaus to help you build credit. Plus, at the end of your repayment term, you'll have a nice nest egg of cash waiting for you. In this video, we'll look at how all of it works. Hey everyone, this is Andy with The College Investor, investing and personal finance for millennials. If you're new to the channel and like what you hear, please hit subscribe so you're ready when our next video comes out. And as you are watching, know that all the resources mentioned in the video will be available in our video description. Thanks so much. Okay, who is Credit Strong? Well, Credit Strong is a secured lending fintech that helps people build credit with credit builder loans. It's a division of Austin Capital Bank, which was founded in January 2006. Currently, it's able to fully lend in all states, with the exception of North Carolina, Wisconsin, and Vermont. Credit Strong is not registered with the Better Business Bureau, but does have a Better Business Bureau profile. 12 complaints under its profile, but its team has been responsive to all complaints. Let's talk about what Credit Strong has to offer. Credit Strong helps people build credit through installment loans, but instead of giving the money to you up front, it's deposited into a savings account. Then you begin making fixed monthly payments. The loan incurs interest, but so does the savings account, which helps to offset your total cost. By making a series of payments on their loan, customers have a chance to increase their credit score. And Credit Strong will report the customer's payments to all 3 credit bureaus. For this review, we'll be focusing on Credit Strong's personal credit building plans. But it should be noted that they also offer 2 business credit builder accounts, a 5-year and a 10-year plan. Let's go over a few important points about Credit Strong's offerings. The first point is that they are not a credit repair service. Credit repair services help remove negative marks on a person's credit report. Credit Strong doesn't do any credit repair. It's only reporting a customer's payment history to the 3 major credit bureaus. If the customer has good credit management, its reporting can help increase the customer's credit score. But if you miss payments on your Credit Strong loan, the system can work against you. Credit Strong will report delinquent payments to the same 3 credit bureaus that receive its reports on timely payments. This can actually result in decreasing your credit score. Just as it's important to maintain on-time payments with creditors, you also want to be sure that you do the same with Credit Strong. Note that Credit Strong isn't a traditional lending service. Not only do you not receive any money up front, but you also pay fees that are higher than that of a comparable traditional loan. If all you need is a personal loan, you're better off getting an unsecured loan from a bank or credit union. Credit Strong is specifically designed to help people increase their credit score and establish a positive payment history. First, you pick a loan amount and term. For example, with their Subscribe 1000 plan, you could make $15 payments for up to 10 years to build up your savings of $1,000 that is then returned to you at the end of your term. Of course, making 120 payments of $15 equals $1,800 in total cost, so you're essentially paying $800 in interest to save $1,000 and build credit along the way. That might not sound like a great deal, but with Subscribe and Magnum plans, you can choose shorter terms to reduce your interest costs. The minimum term is 1 year and the maximum is 10 years. And Credit Strong's Build and Save plans, which have 12 or 24-month terms, are specifically designed for people who want to reach their savings target within a specific time frame. Another really nice thing about Credit Strong is that you can cancel at any time without penalty. If you cancel before the end of your repayment term, you'll receive a refund for all the money you deposited minus the interest. And as long as you didn't have any late or missed payments before your account was closed, no negative marks will be added to your credit reports. Also, if you decide to pay off your Credit Strong loan early, there is no early payoff fee as well. Now you might be asking, how fast will my credit score actually increase? Well, there are 2 competing credit score systems. There's Vantage Score and FICO Score. The FICO Score is by far the most widely used and probably the one you want to watch as you work to improve your credit. With either credit scoring system, payment history is an influential scoring factor. If you've never used credit before, it'll take at least 6 months for FICO to give you your first credit score. However, if you're just looking to slightly improve your score to qualify for a credit card or other forms of financing, even just a few on-time payments with Credit Strong could push you across the finish line. Let's talk fees. Are there any fees with Credit Strong, you might be asking? Yes, Credit Strong currently has 7 plans. The fees and interest rates for each are detailed here. As you can see, fees and interest rates vary depending on which plan you actually go with. So how does Credit Strong compare in the marketplace? Well, when compared to Self-Lender, Credit Strong's interest rates are favorable, while Self's admin fees are a bit lower. But it should be noted that neither of these companies offers any immediate cash access. If that's something you're looking for, you may want to consider SeedFi instead, which can provide up to $4,000 of upfront cash through its Borrow and Grow plans. SeedFi's traditional credit builder plans are also very affordable at just $1 per month. Let's talk about how to open an account. You can visit the Credit Strong website by clicking the link in our description. Credit Strong says it takes about 5 minutes to complete the application online. Your credit will not be affected by applying, as Credit Strong will not check your credit. However, you will need to have a checking account, debit card, or prepaid card in good standing in order to qualify. In the end, is Credit Strong worth it? Well, for anyone wanting to build credit, Credit Strong could be a good solution for you. It's easy to get approved for a credit line without a credit check, and a significant portion of your loan payments later become cool cash in your pocket. Just make sure to compare Credit Strong's interest rates and fees with other companies that offer credit builder, such as Self. As for the savings account earning interest, don't expect to make any money. After the loan fees are taken into account, the net will be an overall expense. If interest is what you're after, consider one of our favorite high-yield savings accounts. You'll find that video on this channel. Thanks for hanging out today, everyone. This is Andy from The College Investor, and we'll see you in the next video.